So in the workshop today I have got a pair of these monsters to deal with. These are Scots pines that have been in these huge pots, sadly, for quite a long time, and they've not been touched for several years. They came to me last year, and in that time we've just let them do their thing, as you can see. So today going to be dealing with these monsters. So this is the first of the pair. We've managed to extricate it from the pot, just about, and look at this. Out of interest, this is in our number 2 soil mix, has been for several years, and you can see good mycelium on there, good root all the way through, not too compact. So I'm hoping, apart from just the sheer volume of this, should be a fairly easy job. These were grown from little tiny liners over many years, and had some basic bonsai training, but as I said, been left for quite a while now. But the foliage is looking good. You can see the length of last year's growth. Buds raring to go. Perfect timing. Nice to see a Scots pine in this condition.